How to find digital codes on Amazon. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Amazon, log into your account. After you have logged into your account, at the bottom, click on your account option, which is the second option. In here, click on orders at the top. After that, in your orders, you'll find your digital gift code. Click on it. After you've clicked on it, scroll down and you'll find pin code. Simply click on copy and copy the code as you want and paste in any Roblox website and redeem the code, as this gift card is of Roblox. You can find any digital codes on Amazon that you have purchased in this way. This is how to find digital codes on Amazon. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.